want to talk about a situation that is what I consider to be a ritual. This situation is pretty common. It happens on TV all the time. It happens in movies. It happens in real life. It's something that typically is not targeted at a particular individual, but sometimes it is. There's been a number of movies over the years act in a movie, and then they, shortly after that, have a bad experience, they're cursed, or they actually pass away. The Dark Knight or Fast and Furious are a few examples where people have passed away.